Meaning of influx.
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 Influx. The word influx refers to a sudden and large amount of people, things, or ideas entering a place or system. It suggests a rapid and possibly overwhelming arrival of something. An influx can bring positive or negative consequences depending on the situation. For example, an influx of tourists can boost a local economy, but also cause overcrowding and strain on resources. In the context of migration, an influx of refugees may create political tensions and humanitarian crises. Overall, an influx implies a significant change in the status quo and requires careful management.